Look around you. You're on Earth, our amazing home. It feels pretty big, doesn't it? You can walk for miles, drive for hours, or even fly in an airplane for a whole day. But guess what? Earth is just a tiny, tiny speck in something much, much bigger. Today, we're going on an incredible journey, zooming out to explore just how big the universe really is. Get ready to have your mind blown. Now, let's zoom out from Earth. We're heading into our neighborhood in space, called the Solar System. Here, our Sun, a giant glowing star, holds 8 amazing planets in its gravitational pull, like invisible strings. There's fiery Mercury, cloudy Venus, our blue Earth, dusty Mars, giant Jupiter with its stormy eye, ringed Saturn, icy Uranus, and windy Neptune. All these planets are whizzing around the Sun, and there's lots of empty space between them. It takes light from the Sun about 8 minutes to reach Earth. That's how far away it is. Okay, now we're really going fast. Our Sun isn't alone. It's one of billions and billions of stars living together in a giant cosmic city called the Milky Way Galaxy. Imagine a giant swirling pinwheel made of stars, gas, and dust. Our Sun is just one little star on one of its spiral arms. The Milky Way is so big, it would take light, traveling super fast, about 100,000 years to go from one side to the other. Can you even imagine that? Even our giant Milky Way isn't alone. Galaxies love to hang out together in groups called galaxy clusters. Our Milky Way is part of a neighborhood group called the Local Group, which has a few dozen other galaxies. The biggest one near us is called Andromeda, and it's even bigger than our own galaxy. We're all moving through space together, even though we're incredibly far apart. But the story gets even bigger. These galaxy clusters aren't just scattered randomly. They're organized into even larger structures called superclusters. Think of them like cosmic highways or giant cosmic spiderwebs, with huge empty spaces in between them. Our local group is part of an enormous supercluster called Laniakea. It's so massive, it contains the mass of about 100 quadrillion suns. That's a 1 followed by 15 zeros. These superclusters stretch across unbelievable distances, like invisible threads holding the universe together. We're still zooming out, but here's something super important. We can only see so far. Light from the very distant parts of the universe takes so long to reach us that some of it hasn't even arrived yet. The part of the universe we can see, our cosmic bubble, is called the observable universe. It's about 93 billion light-years across. That's a number so huge, it's hard to even imagine. Beyond that bubble, there's probably even more universe, but we just can't see it. Yet. Wow! From our cozy home on Earth, to the solar system, to the Milky Way, to galaxy clusters, superclusters, and finally, the edge of the observable universe. It's an incredible journey that shows us just how tiny we are, but also how amazing and full of wonder the universe is. And the best part? Scientists are still exploring and discovering new things every single day. The universe is always expanding, always growing, and always full of new mysteries to solve. So keep looking up at the night sky, because the universe is waiting for you to discover more.